But when he'd come home with a 4 a.m. stomp in his boots and undressed to bed, he was fully. In the black, illegible moment of foolish want, there is also a neon sign flashing. The sign above the strip joint where my second big love worked as a bouncer and saved the girls from unwanted hands, unpaid for hands, thin-lipped ladies with a lot on their minds and more on their backs, loaded for bear and for the long winter's rain, loaded for real. And I have always been a jealous girl, but when he'd come home with a 4 a.m. stomp in his boots and undressed to bed, he was fully there, fully in the room, my sleeping body made awake, and there was gentleness to this, a long opening that seemed to join us in the saddest hour. Before now, I don't know if I have ever loved anyone, or if I have ever been loved, but men have been very good to me, have seen my absurd out-of-placeness, my bent grin and uncalled for loud laugh, and have wanted to love me for it, have been so warm in their wanting that sometimes I wanted to love them too. And I think that must be worth something, that it should be a celebrated thing, that though I have not stood on a mountain under the usual false archway of tradition and chosen one person forever, what I have done is risked everything for that hour in the black night where one flashing light looks like love. I have pulled over my body's car and let myself believe that the dance was only for me, that this gift of a breathing one who wants was always a gift, was the only sign worth stopping for, that the neon glow was a real star, gleaming in its dying, like us all, like us all.